Do you want to know how you can clear the browsing history on your Temu account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can clear your browsing history on your Temu account. Go ahead and open temu.com on your Chrome or Edge browser. Then make sure that you are logged into your account. Go ahead and hover around your profile, which is over here, and you can see browsing history. Click on it and it will take you to your browsing history. In order to delete your browsing history, you can delete it one by one. So you can see if you hover around the three dots in front of the product, you can see delete. Click on delete and you can see that the product will be deleted. This way, you can individually clear your browsing history. There is no option of clearing your browsing history all at once, so you should do this. Go to Temu, hover around your profile, click on browsing history. This is your browsing history. To delete it, go ahead and hover around the product and click delete. You can see that it will be deleted quite easily. I hope this video about how you can delete your browsing history on your Temu account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.